Amphibians first evolved in the Paleozoic era at the end of the Devonian, and for the next 100 million years diversified into a large number of groups, including some legless forms like the aestropods. Most of these groups, however, became extinct at the end of the Paleozoic era. In the Mesozoic era, the first members of the three groups of amphibians alive today evolved: the frogs, the salamanders, and the legless Caecilians. The first members of this group still possessed small legs and a number of ancestral skull bones that modern Caecilians lack. The Caecilians, order Gymnophiona, can be divided into three suborders and about 10 families, although some of these are newly formed. About 200 species are recognized from Central America and Northern South America, tropical Africa, and tropical Southeast Asia. Their legless body, strengthened skull, and pointed snout adapt them for burrowing, which is the lifestyle that most possess, although one family specializes in aquatic life and swimming. Their vision is poor, with some possessing eyes which can distinguish between light and dark, and some lacking eyes. Their olfaction is enhanced with a pair of sensory tentacles in the head. They practice internal fertilization exclusively, the only group of amphibians to do so. Although they are poorly studied, perhaps because they are typically subterranean, many have very narrow ranges, so this family is only known from restricted regions in Africa, and this endangered species is threatened by habitat loss in the one single area in the world where it can be found. This family is only known from Southeast Asia and includes an endangered species known only from the Philippines, where it is threatened by habitat loss. In the fossil past, the movement of continents probably influenced the distribution of organisms in the modern world. Many groups originated in the southern land masses of Gondwana, which were fused, and Caecilians are largely restricted to southern continents today. India was once connected to Africa and only later migrated and became a portion of Asia. This family of Caecilians is known from India and two small islands off the east coast of Africa. One endangered species is found only on these islands. Thus, ranges vary from this species, which can be found throughout several countries in South America, to this species, which is found in only one small region of Africa.